Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy as an artist. Begin with loose gesture sketches to capture energy, then map simple shapes for ribcage and pelvis to anchor posture. Practice short, timed poses and repeat problematic areas. Use reference photos and life models and compare left and right sides for symmetry. Keep sessions focused and consistent to make steady progress in both observation and drawing ability. Start by learning the skeleton's basic landmarks like clavicle, scapula, pelvis, and knees, then place major muscle groups around them. Use simple cylinders and boxes to represent limbs and test range of motion. Draw the same landmark from different angles to build spatial intuition. Annotate sketches with joint function and typical movement, and compare your studies to references to correct proportion and form errors over time. Break anatomy into manageable groups: torso, limbs, hands, and feet, and study each group's functions separately. Sketch muscles in isolation to learn their form, then overlay them on skeletal studies to see interactions. Pay attention to how muscles change with flexion and extension, and use mirrored exercises to spot asymmetry. Apply these findings directly to life drawing sessions to see how function informs surface shape and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.